Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to send USDT from Binance to Coinbase. To transfer USDT from Binance to Coinbase, you can do it directly from the Binance platform to your Coinbase address using an on-exchange transfer. This method eliminates the need to move funds to a personal wallet first, making the process more convenient. First, log into your Coinbase account and go to the Account Overview tab. Use the search bar to find USDT and confirm it is supported on Coinbase. To receive USDT, click on the Send and Receive button in the top right corner, then select Receive. Then make sure to choose USDT from the drop-down menu and copy your Coinbase wallet address. Next, log into your Binance account and go to the Wallet Overview. Here, you will see your balance and the Withdraw button. Select USDT as the cryptocurrency to withdraw, then paste the Coinbase wallet address you copied earlier into the recipient's address field. Double-check that you've selected the correct network, such as ERC20 for USDT if that's what's supported by both platforms. Then, enter the withdrawal amount, review the withdrawal fees, and confirm the transaction. Ensure all details are correct before completing the transfer. The USDT should arrive in your Coinbase account within a few minutes. If you're using a mobile device, both the Binance and Coinbase apps are available on Android and iOS, making it easy to complete the transfer on either app. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.